At this point, I feel like you should just give me access to the factory. Just let me have one of those days like Nordstrom Rack does, where I have a whole day where I can like shop and just pick out pieces that I really want. Or just the ability to go in there real fast. Let me, like on Supermarket Sweep, where you can grab as much as you can before the timer runs out. Just let me do that, and then we're good. Hey y'all, it's your girl Annitra here with Different by Design, where faith and fashion connect. I'm coming to you today with another video. If you are returning to my channel to watch another one of my videos, hey girl, hey. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. Make yourself at home. Click the like button, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion. I mean, at this point, like, what's understood doesn't need to be explained. My name is Annitra, and I have a thing for Kurt Geiger bags. Not just Kurt Geiger bags, but the XXL size bags. The Kensingtons, the Qs. I think that's the only ones that come in the XXL size. If I'm wrong, don't tell me. Don't tell me. Don't tell me, because again, if you are familiar with my channel, you know this brand is a problem for me. It's a problem, okay? I, like most bag loving girlies, I have a wish list, and anytime I find a wish list item, like, I just get so happy. And with this particular brand, is no exception. I have a wish list. There's about, I would say, maybe 2 or 3 more items left on the wish list. And then honestly, y'all, so we have today's item. You see the thumbnail, you saw what it is. Again, if you're familiar with my channel, this is no surprise. This is no surprise. What I can also share is that I was back and forth about this particular item because there were so many other items from this brand and I wanted to grab. I was like, okay, so if I get this item, it has to be on sale. That's what had happened. It was definitely on sale. And I had to already have obtained a couple other pieces that I wanted for my collection from this brand before I got here. And since that happened, and then since there was a sale, and then, yeah, I had finally made up my mind that I wanted it. And so again, here we are. So if you are interested in watching me unbag this item, because I got it shipped to the store, but if you're interested in watching me unbag this item, stay tuned. Okay, again, Nordstrom Rack piece. The time I'm making this video, this item is still available. Of course, it'll be linked in the description because sharing is caring. And girl, treat yourself. Listen, you watch my channel, you're a Kurt Geiger girly too, so treat yourself, sis. The price is right. The price is right. So there we have it. I have a whole Kurt Geiger collection video on my channel at the time I'm making this. And every bag in that Kurt Geiger collection video has its own dedicated video. So if you're interested in the brand Kurt Geiger, I definitely recommend that you subscribe because I told you I have a problem. So yes, she is packaged as always to capacity, stuffed to capacity as always. She's an XXL size. As you can see, it's the black. This is the XXL Kensington. This is the XXL Kurt Geiger Kensington bag in the color black. I'm happy that I decided to get it because there are some days where I go and just like, you know what would be cute with this look? The XXL Kensington in black. And I realized I don't have a Kurt Geiger bag in black that has gold or brass hardware. I just have the Drench, which has the black hardware, and I have the XXL Q, which has silver hardware. But I was like, I need one. I need one with gold hardware. And so these bags are just so classy and timeless, and classic and timeless. They're like, it's like, girl, why are you apologizing? Girl. Yes, this is definitely what was missing from my bag collection. Listen, this is definitely what was missing from my bag collection. I'll show you guys in a moment what I do have, what bag I do have that is black with gold hardware after we finish opening her. But as always, packaged, just look how buttery soft the leather looks. How buttery soft the leather looks, y'all. It's just squishy puffy, squishy puffy. I love. Yes. And again, the price was incredible. The price was amazing. Anytime I'm going to catch it, a Kurt Geiger bag at this point, it's going to be on sale. I refuse to pay full price. I don't want to say that too loud because I know Kurt be watching my videos. Okay, I've gotten Kurt Geiger comments in my Kurt Geiger videos, so I know you watching, Kurt. At this point, I feel like you should just give me access to the factory. Just let me have one of those days like Nordstrom Rack does, where I have a whole day where I can like shop and just pick out pieces that I really want, or just the ability to go in there real fast. Let me, like on Supermarket Sweep, where you can grab as much as you can before the timer runs out. Just let me do that, and then we're good. But yes, gold hot stamped Kurt Geiger with the brass hardware, the small eagle head, which y'all know I love, is my favorite, with the monochromatic stones in the eagle head. As always, stuffed to capacity. As always, stuffed to capacity. We have the microfiber interior with the, excuse the nails, y'all. Natural nail life is taking me through it. But yes, the microfiber interior with the Geiger logo. As always, we have our dust bag, and then we have all of the stuffing. We have the slip pocket in the back. Wait a minute now. Uh-oh, this one is different. What? Let me see now. Okay, so we do have the Kurt Geiger hot stamped here as well, the I Am Leather. You can see there. Oh wait, this is a new discovery. Where is the patch that is on all of my Kurt Geiger bags? Ooh, I should do a quick comparison. Ooh, yes, I guess. I told you I'm a connoisseur. Like, I have so many of these bags in my collection in different colors. Again, if you're interested, watch the collection video. But usually, yeah, so this is a new discovery. So the little patch, what I'll do is I'll grab another one of my Kensingtons that's already in my collection so you can see what I mean. But other than that, she's stuffed to capacity. This bag originally retails for $3.45. I don't think there's a Kensington or a Q in my collection that I paid full price for. Or did I? I think I paid full price for my black Drench and possibly the orange Drench. That's crazy. I don't really remember, y'all. I don't really remember. But my collection, I don't think I've ever paid, the majority of my pieces are not, full price was not, not the story. But yes, so again, here she is. Just look at this. okay? Look at this, for under $200, y'all. Under $200. Oh, this bag is so yummy. So I'm not gonna do a what's, you know, what fits, because I've done it already on my channel multiple times with my Kurt Geiger pieces. So if you're interested in what fits in this bag, I mean, it's the kitchen sink. It's a classy kitchen sink. And what I'll do is I'll just do this. So this was the actual carry of the day. This is what we'll do. If you want to know what fits. If you really want to know what fits, okay? Okay, a whole nother bag can fit in here. Okay, that's what we'll do. The bear, say hello to Bear, to my bear charm. Oh, she would be cute on here too, but I feel like these bags don't need charms. These bags don't need charms. They don't need to be dressed up. I know that's all the rage right now. And low key, the YouTube girlies did it first. The YouTube bag loving community did it first. But yes, these bags don't need any charms. Will I be using bag? Let's look at that. Where's the tabby? Oh, there she is. She's playing peekaboo. But a whole different bag fits in here, okay? A whole different bag. That stuff to capacity fit in here. So if you want to know what fits, that should answer your question. But will I be using bag clips with this the same way I do with all my other Kurt Geiger bags? Absolutely. Man, now I'm hyped to use it. It's been in the bag for like a week or two now, waiting for me to make her video, because I was like, I'm not gonna do you wrong, girl. I know your sisters have their own videos, but you're just as special, okay? You're just as special. But here I have grabbed another Kurt Geiger piece, another Kensington from my collection. Also was this a Nordstrom rack? Yeah, it was a Nordstrom rack find that I stalked, okay? That I stalked. But yes, this is what she looks like on the inside. Oh, you know what I need? I just realized she has her own little dedicated card holder. Does it match completely? No, but it's a placeholder. But as you can see here, inside there's the little Creed patch that's inside here. And again, this bag does not have that. I wonder why. I wonder why. But you know what? I'm actually fine with it. I'm actually fine with that. I actually need to like check the rest of my Kurt Geiger bags and see if they also have the patch. But yes, y'all. This is just one of my Kensingtons. Move over, sis. Okay, move over, sis. And this is low-key the reason why my bag shelf fell apart, because I had such an affinity for big bags. Okay, I have such an affinity for big bags. Okay, and this is the only other black bag with gold hardware that I have. So get you a girl that can do both. Okay, I'm a girlie that can do both. Okay, sometimes you need just dainty and demure. Sometimes you need to just be to pop out and show them. Okay, get you a girl who can do both. But yes, that literally completes this video. There is no need for me to go into details on a bag that I feel that I have unboxed or unbagged on this channel multiple times. Okay, multiple times. But now I feel compelled to carry her. What will be my bag of the day for tomorrow? Am I done, y'all? Am I done with this brand? Am I done with this brand? Let me tuck the tag. Let me act like I had some home training. Would you be done? Would you be done? Honestly, would you be done? I mean, at this point, there really is no need for me to do a do the mod shots and everything like that, because I've done that multiple times on my channel. Like, I just wanted to share a new development on acquiring a wish list purchase, a wish list piece for my collection. Crossing an item off of my wish list. Oh, this bag feels so incredible. So she needs a matching card holder or wallet. I feel like, yeah, because all of her sisters, let me think about that, have a dedicated card holder or wallet, or a wallet that's shared with another sister. So yes, she needs to not be the exception to the rule. This bag, y'all, this bag, I need to restuff it. Yeah, but all the mod shots and what fits and things like that, it's unnecessary because I've done it multiple times on this channel with this bag, just in various different colors. Yeah, I will be using bag clips. There's no need to decorate it because it's like classy. It's a classy piece, so it doesn't need all the extra bells and whistles. The eagle head does enough, and then the chain kind of like is like cherry on top. Yeah, I can't think of anything else to share. Again, affiliate link will be available in the description. Links to previous Kurt Geiger videos will also be in the description. The collection video will be in the description. Yes, that's it. That is it for this video. Is this it for my collection? Am I really done with Kurt Geiger? Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you have enjoyed today's video, you know what to do at this point. Click the like button, subscribe, share the video with someone who is not already subscribed so you both can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion on my channel. Again, my name is Annitra. We're different by design. We're Faith and Fashion Connect. And you have a great